Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is geometric dilution, precision mixing for potent drugs. Geometric dilution is a pharmaceutical mixing technique used when a very small amount of active drug must be evenly distributed into a much larger quantity of powder or diluent. In pharmacy, the active drug is called the API, which stands for active pharmaceutical ingredient. The inactive powder used to dilute or carry the drug is called the diluent. The main purpose of geometric dilution is to achieve uniform distribution of the drug throughout the entire mixture. This is especially important when working with highly potent medications, where even a small dosing error can affect patient safety. Instead of mixing everything together at once, the ingredients are blended gradually in equal proportions. This controlled step-by-step process prevents uneven distribution and reduces the risk of concentration hotspots within the mixture. Why not simply pour all the ingredients together and mix normally? The problem is particle distribution. When a tiny quantity of potent drug is added directly into a very large amount of powder, the drug particles may not spread evenly. Some portions of the final mixture may contain too much medication, while other portions may contain too little. In pharmaceutical science, this issue is known as poor content uniformity for drugs with narrow therapeutic ranges, such as hormones, cardiac medications, chemotherapy drugs, or pediatric formulations. Even a slight variation in dosage can become dangerous. That is why geometric dilution is considered a critical compounding technique in pharmacy practice. Let's look at how geometric dilution actually works. Step 1. We begin with the smallest quantity, the potent API. For example, let's say we have 1 gram of active drug. Step 2. An equal quantity of diluent is added, so we add another 1 gram of powder. The pharmacist then mixes these thoroughly until the blend becomes uniform. Now the total mixture equals 2 grams. Step 3. Next, the pharmacist adds an amount of diluent equal to the total mixture already present. Since we now have 2 grams, we add 2 more grams of diluent. Again, the powders are mixed carefully and completely. The total mixture now becomes 4 grams. Step 4. The process continues repeatedly. 4 grams become 8 grams, 8 grams become 16 grams. And the mixture gradually expands while maintaining uniform drug distribution. This progressive doubling pattern is why the method is called geometric dilution. At every stage, the active ingredient becomes more evenly dispersed throughout the powder blend. Importance in patient safety. At its core, geometric dilution is about patient safety. Every tablet, capsule, or powder dose must contain the intended amount of medication. Without proper mixing techniques, patients could receive inconsistent therapy, reduced effectiveness, or potentially harmful overdoses. That's why pharmaceutical compounding relies heavily on standardized scientific procedures like geometric dilution. It transforms powder mixing from a simple manual activity into a precise and measurable pharmaceutical process. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow pharmacy students and healthcare professionals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.